Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Sonic the Hedgehog. Today, I'll be recording a video. It's Five Nights at Sonic's World. You guys suggested this to Paul, and then he just wanted me to play it. He threw me to his computer, turned it on, and he put the screen in front of my face that says, "Play this game now." So yeah, this was kind of forced. I'm basically like a slave. So, I'm continuing with this game. I'm just doing this game for him. Ugh. I decided to teleport to Area 6. Until I know how to get to glitch people with video games, I'll grind until level 100. And that's what Paul wants me to do. Yep, I want you to do that. Well, I'm continuing. Ooh. I have an OP attack called Freddles. He kills people in like an instant. So yeah. He wants me to be level 70, I think. Be at least level 70. I don't want to beat him. I want to try. I kind of want to change my party. I'm going to try some weaker characters. Let's try. I'm just changing my order. Like a normal person will do. Yep, that's what I want. So Toadette doesn't have to be here. Because you know why. So, we continue to find more people. Anyone want to face my team? No? You think I'm too good for you? That was a piece of cake. Oh. What? No one survived my Freddles. Oh well, one life gives you lemons. I'm just putting Nightmare Tails just to back up Curfew. Just to back up, in case. I'm gonna use them to get some extra damage. I'm saving here. So just in case I leave. Paul goes there. Nice! Let's go, guys! We're just destroying people. We're level 66. Liquid Labyrinth. He said to go to. Oh my god. Well, first I need to deal with Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs. So, salty boy, Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs. I think he wants me to go to this one. Then this one. Then this one. Oh, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh boy, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. One Freddles work very well for you. Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh well, Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs. Spongy Boy. Well, I found Spongy Boy. Oh, hello. Nice. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. 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 I'm not gonna kill him balloons too. You want to know why? Cause, oh no. Well, oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Guys, the game I was playing doesn't want to work, so I'll be playing this game now. Oh, hello there. What? Ah! Oh, hey, it's me, Sans Undertale. I'm Sans. We're gonna be playing as Paul wants me to do a challenge. Someone wants me to do a challenge. To play Zelda, but I cannot switch. And I have to play against 6 Goras. Let's try to see if I can win. But I can't switch as Zelda. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. I made it a bit easier, but it's harder for me, because I only have 1 life. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah. Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Get out of there. Get out of there. I'm just switching to Sheik, but she's like a death trap. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. I didn't deliver attack of you, so challenge done. Next they want me to play against 3 Raymans with Paul's best character, Donkey Kong. It's Yoshi? Paul's old best character. Oh god, oh bless my son. Oh god. This is gonna be hard. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Baba. Also, if you fail that one, try Yoshi. Okay, I'm trying Yoshi. Let's go, Yoshi. Come on, you can do this, Yoshi. This is when your kindergarten teacher tells you that you can't eat candy. LOL. That's a troop. Challenge done. Now they want me to face all the Kirby characters, and I need to be a single series character. I'm gonna be Peach. Screw this. I'm being Peach. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh my gosh, he actually looks kind of cool with it. I'm screwed. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. I'm gonna try someone else that has a single series. Cap Falcon. Nice. Nice. Guess what? Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. 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 Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Oof! I did some damage to everyone. Let's try again. But with this. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah. Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. Oh, you trying to bring me in the air? Okay, I'll go in here. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, I'll go up in the air so I can ground smack you. So I'm going to me, you fool. I have. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oof. Unless I did more damage. Oh yeah. So this is the end of the video. Bye.